Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 7th. Subject is English and the subject is an alien hand. Topic is a tiger in the house. This is part 2. This is part 2 of a tiger in the house, and it is chapter number 9 in your book. So today I am going to teach class 7. Subject is English, subject is an alien hand, topic is a tiger in the house, and this is the second part of this chapter, this topic. I have taught you the first part in previous class. In this class I am going to start the part 2 of this chapter. So let us start explaining the text. The next paragraph is reserving a first class apartment for himself and Timothy. No one would share a compartment with them. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger. Reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy means the grandfather reserved a first class compartment. He reserved a first class compartment for himself and the tiger, that no one could, here can say accompany, that no one could share with them, that no one could go along with them, that they can separate them with other people, because in first class compartment there are small cabins. There are cabins and one can use the cabins, one can go in those cabins privately. So reserving a first class compartment for himself and Timothy, no one would share a compartment with them. No one would share the compartment with them, because they wanted, grandfather wanted no one to share the compartment with. That's why he reserved a first class compartment. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the zoo authorities were only too glad. Grandfather took the tiger to Lucknow Zoo, to the Lucknow Zoo, where the zoo authorities were too glad, were too happy. Glad, you can say happy. They were too happy. They were much happy to receive as a gift a well-fed and fairly civilized tiger, because they got a well-fed and much civilized tiger. It was a civilized tiger. It was a trained tiger. It was not as wild as other tigers were. It was not as wild as other tigers were. But it was a civilized tiger. It was a trained tiger. It was trained by the family of the writer. And it was also well-fed. Its condition was also very good. That's why the zoo authority were too happy. Come to the next one. About 6 months later, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. I was not there to accompany him, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dehra. About 6 months later, after donating the tiger to the zoo, after 6 months of that, here can say happening of that event, when my grandparents were visiting relatives in Lucknow, my grandparents visited Lucknow to their relatives. They were relatives of my grandparents, and they visited Lucknow to their relatives. My grandparents visited Lucknow to their relatives after 6 months of the donation of the tiger. Grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. Get on to progress. At that time, my grandfather got the opportunity to go to the zoo and examine and see how the tiger is progressed, how the tiger is getting on. Grandfather took the opportunity of calling at the zoo to see how Timothy was getting on. He got the opportunity, he got the chance to see how Timothy was getting on, how Timothy was progressing. I was not there to accompany him, but the writer tells us that I was not there to accompany him. I was not there to accompany my grandfather, but I heard all about it when I returned to Dehra. But when I returned to Dehra, at that time I heard all about that. I heard all about the things that are related to my grandfather visited to the zoo. Come to the next one. Arriving at the zoo, grandfather made straight for the particular cage in which Timothy had been interned. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. Arriving at the zoo. When grandfather arrived at the zoo, then grandfather made straight for the particular cage. Then my grandfather went straight towards the cage in which Timothy was kept. Cage in which Timothy had been interned. Interned means kept, imprisoned. So when grandfather arrived at the zoo, first of all he went towards the cage in which Timothy was kept. The tiger was there, crouched in a corner. The tiger was there in the cage and he was crouched, he was sitting in a corner, full grown and with a magnificent striped coat. Now it was full grown, it was now full tiger. It had got all its strength and magnificent striped coat, and they were magnificent striped coat too, means they were stripped on the body of the tiger. That's why the writer tells us striped coat. See the next one. Hello Timothy, said grandfather and put his arm through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead and tickled his ears, and whenever he growled, smacked him across the mouth, which was his old way of keeping him quiet. Hello Timothy, grandfather, said grandfather. When grandfather reached at the cage of the tiger, he told hello Timothy. He addressed the tiger and put his arm through the bars of the cage. Bars chhad kar sakte hain aap. And he put his arms, he put under the cage, he put his arms under the cage through the bars of the cage. The tiger approached the bars and allowed grandfather to put both hands around his head. Then tiger approached the bars. Then tiger came towards my grandfather, and he also allowed my grandfather to put his hand on his head. Put both hands around his head. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead. Grandfather stroked sahlana. Grandfather stroked the tiger's forehead. ग्रैंडफादर ने टाइगर को के जो है फोरहेड को, उसके हेड को जो क्या है सहलाया. And tickled his ears, and he also tickled his ears. Tickled, touch here can say, and he also touched his ears. Tickle करना, हल्के से छूना. And whenever he growled, and whenever the tiger growled मतलब गुर्राना, whenever the tiger roared At that time, smacked him across the mouth. Smack हल्का सा थप्पड़ लगा देना. He smacked, he beat the tiger, he beat him across the mouth. He smacked the tiger across the mouth whenever he tried to roar, whenever he tried to growl. Which was his old way of keeping him quiet. That was his old way. That was my grandfather's old way to keep calm to the tiger. Come to the next one. He licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Grandfather shooed the leopard away and the tiger returned to lick his hands, but every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars and he would slink back to his corner. He licked grandfather's hand. The tiger licked grandfather's hand. टाइगर ने क्या ग्रैंडफादर के हैंड को लिक किया. लिक करना, चाटना. And only sprang away, and only sprang away, and only go away, and only went away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Snarled, here can say roared, gurrana. And only sprang away, and only went away from my grandfather when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. When there was a leopard in the next cage, whenever that leopard snarled, at that time he went away from my grandfather. Grandfather shooed यहाँ पर भगाने के लिए यूज किया गया है. Grandfather shooed the leopard away. Grandfather shooed the leopard away. Grandfather here can say sent away the leopard. And the tiger returned to lick his hands. When the leopard was away from them, at that time the tiger returned back to his grandfather to lick his hands. But every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars. But every now and then, और हर वक्त अब तब करके, means at every time. But every now and then the leopard would rush at the bars. But every now and then means always the leopard rushed. The leopard came towards the bars, and he would shrink back to his corner. Shrink back, move noiselessly, and he shrink back to his corner, and the tiger went back to his corner. Whenever the leopard came towards the bars, at that time the tiger went back to his corner. See the next one. A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. I am talking to Timothy, said grandfather. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? A number of people had gathered. There were many people who were present at that time in the zoo, and a number of people gathered around the cage when they saw my grandfather playing with the tiger. To watch the reunion, they gathered towards the cage. They gathered around the cage to see the reunion of my grandfather and the tiger. When a keeper pushed his way through the crowd, when a keeper saw all these kinds of things, he came towards the cage and asked my grandfather through the crowd. He came towards the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing, and he asked my grandfather what he was doing. The keeper asked my grandfather what my grandfather was doing. I am talking to Timothy. Now at that my grandfather answered him that I am talking to Timothy. I am talking to Timothy. Weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? Weren't you here present? Weren't you here when I have donated it, when I have given it to the zoo? You weren't here when I gave it to the zoo? क्या तुम उस वक्त यहाँ नहीं थे जब मैंने इसको जू में दिया था? Now see the next one. I haven't been here very long, said the surprised keeper, please continue your conversation, but I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. Why don't you put him somewhere else, suggested grandfather. That leopard keeps frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about it. I haven't been here very long. Now the keeper answered him that I haven't been here for a long time. I was not here. And said the surprised keeper. The keeper was much surprised, and he said that I was not here at that time. Please continue your conversation. Now he told my grandfather, please continue your conversation. Now you can continue your conversation with the tiger. अब आप जो है अपनी बातें टाइगर के साथ जारी रख सकते हैं. But I have never been able to touch him myself. But he told my grandfather that I have never been able to touch him myself. Means I am afraid of this tiger. I am not able to touch it myself. He is always very bad tempered, because this tiger is always been very bad tempered, because he is always very bad tempered. He is always very bad tempered. He is a dangerous tiger. I always keep myself away of this tiger. Why don't you put him somewhere else, suggested grandfather. Then my grandfather suggested that keeper, why shouldn't you put him somewhere else? Means you should put it somewhere else. You should put it somewhere else. You should put it away from the leopard. Because of this leopard, the tiger is, here can say, disturbed. That leopard keeps frightening him. That leopard always keeps frightening him. It is always frightening the tiger. Because of the leopard, the tiger is frightened. I will go and see the superintendent about it. I will go and talk to superintendent about it. I will talk to the superintendent to keep the tiger somewhere else. Grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the zoo, but found that he had gone home early. And so, after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. Grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the zoo. Then grandfather went towards the office of the superintendent of the zoo to talk to him, to transfer the tiger from that cage to somewhere else. But found that he had gone home early. But he found that the superintendent had gone home early. He had already gone to the home. And so, after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. And that was the reason that he, after wandering some time here and there in the zoo, he came towards the Timothy to say goodbye. Why? Because it was beginning to get dark. Because it is the time of coming night. He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. He had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes. When he was returning to home, at that time he went towards the cage of the Timothy, and he had been stroking and slapping Timothy for about 5 minutes. And it had been about 5 minutes that he was stroking, he was slapping the Timothy, when he found another keeper observing him. At that time he found that there was another keeper, and he was observing my grandfather doing these kinds of things, observing with some alarm. He was observing my grandfather and with some alarm, means he was much conscious at that time. about my grandfather because that tiger was a dangerous tiger. Grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. Grandfather recognized him that it was a keeper who was present when my grandfather donated, when my father gave Timothy to the zoo. ये वही कीपर था जो जब ग्रैंडफादर ने जो है जू को जो है टाइगर दिया था तो उस वक्त प्रेजेंट था वहाँ पर. Had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. You remember me? Said grandfather. Now why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? You remember me? Said grandfather. My grandfather told the keeper, asked the keeper, you remember me? Do you remember me? क्या मैं तुम्हें याद हूँ? Now why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage? Why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage? Means you should transfer Timothy to some other cage. To another cage away from this stupid leopard. You should transfer Timothy to another cage because of this leopard, because of this stupid leopard. It is always disturbed. It is always restless. It is always frightened because of the leopard. So you should transfer the tiger from this cage to another cage. But sir, stammered the keeper, it is not your tiger. I know, said grandfather. I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. But sir, stammered the keeper. But sir, now the keeper stammered. हकलाना. स्टैमर करना, हकलाना, थोड़ा सा रुक करके अटक कर बातें करना. But sir, stammered the keeper. The keeper stammered. The keeper said, but sir, लेकिन sir, it is not your tiger. It is not your tiger. I know, said grandfather. Grandfather thought that he is saying that you have donated this, you had given this tiger to the zoo, that's why it is now not yours. The grandfather misunderstood the meaning of the keeper. I know, said grandfather. Grandfather said, I know. Oh, I know. Now it is not mine. I realize he is no longer mine. Now I realize that it is no longer mine. I had given it to you, that's why it is not mine now. It is yours. But you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. But you can take any suggestion that I am going to give you. You can take the suggestion. I know that now the tiger is not mine, but you can take my suggestion. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month and he is very dangerous. I remember your tiger very well, said the keeper. On that, the keeper said that, oh no, I remember your tiger very well. This is not your tiger actually. This is not the tiger that you given us. This is another tiger. Grandfather misunderstood that because he had given the tiger to the zoo, that's why the keeper is saying that the tiger is not belonging to him. But the reason is something else. This is not the tiger that was given to the zoo by the grandfather. I remember your tiger very well. That's why the keeper said that I remember your tiger very well. मुझे आपका टाइगर तो अच्छी तरह से याद है. And he died 2 months ago. And your tiger, he died 2 months ago. Your tiger died 2 months ago. Why? Died? Exclaimed grandfather. Grandfather exclaimed. Grandfather cried out, died? Why? How? Yes, sir, of pneumonia. This tiger was, yes, sir, your tiger died. Your tiger died of pneumonia. And this tiger was trapped in the hills only last month. This tiger was trapped from the hills. It was trapped from the hills last month. It had only been 1 month old. It had been only 1 month that we have trapped the tiger from the hills. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous, and this tiger is very dangerous. We should keep away yourself from this tiger. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. At that time, grandfather could think nothing to say. Means he was not able to speak because of the sadness that the tiger was dead. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm, and the other tiger, it was still licking the hands of my grandfather with increasing fondness, with increasing relish. His fondness towards my grandfather was increasing. He was licking my grandfather's hands with increasing fondness. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hands from the cage. Grandfather took what? His hands from the cage. He took his hands from the cage, but what seemed to him an age to withdraw, and it seems to my grandfather that it had been past an age to withdraw the hands from the cage towards himself, because now he was much sad because of the death of the tiger. Now come to, it is the last paragraph. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled. Mumbled means to speak unintelligently. So here can say murmured. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled. My grandfather took his face towards the tiger, and he mumbled and he murmured. अपने चेहरे को जो है टाइगर के पास ले जाकर के उन्होंने कहा, "Good night, Timothy. Timothy, now good night." He told the tiger, Timothy, and giving the keeper a scornful look, and he also gave the keeper a scornful, hateful, here can say disrespectful look. He gave a disrespectful look. He looks towards the keeper disrespectfully, because he thought that because of those keepers the tiger was died. Walked briskly you can say quickly, walked briskly out of the zoo. He walked quickly out of the zoo. He went out of the zoo quickly. So this is the story of a tiger in the house. Now my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.